Hello friends, I'm Priyanka Dani. Today I'm making this video on one of the project, the greenhouse monitoring system based on IoT. My group member is Sonali Jagtap. Sonali and I had made this project. Today I will explain you our whole project in this video. So the greenhouse is used to protect plants from extreme environmental conditions and also growing plants in controlled environments. The greenhouse monitors the extreme environmental conditions in favor of plant growth. Greenhouses can be made smarter by using different techniques. IoT is basically connecting the surrounding environment to the network. Greenhouses have to be monitored manually, whereas by making it a smart greenhouse, that is by using IoT technique, and it can be monitored from faraway places also. Different sensors as per the requirement are used to monitor greenhouses and perform the actions according to the parameters sensed. The conditions are predefined by the maintainer so that the growth of the plant is not affected by environmental conditions. The software which we have used is the Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the block diagram of our project. In this project, we have connected the many systems, the temperature monitoring system, humidity monitoring system, the fire detection system, the CO2 detecting system, and these are the many systems which we have connected to the home gateway. And also we have connected the smartphone to the home gateway. The smartphone is used to monitor the end devices in our greenhouses. This is the flowchart of our system. Like in this system, we are using many sensors and devices in our system. It will sense some environmental parameters, and the sensed parameters, if that value is within the acceptable range, then our actuators, which means the devices, will be off. And if the value is not within the acceptable range, then the devices will get on. Now I will show you the circuit of our system and its working. Like which I have told you that we have used the Cisco Packet Tracer for our project. So this is the lawn sprinkler system. In that we have used the water level monitor, and these 4 sprinklers we have used. In this way we have used all the devices. Number of devices which we have used are the 4. This is the temperature monitor system. These are the thermostats, and this is the cooler, and this is the heater. This is the humidity monitor system. This is the humidity monitor, and these are the humidifiers which we have used in this system. This is the smoke detector system. In that we have used this smoke detector to detect the CO2. Um, and Also we have used the car to generate the CO2, then siren, and we have used the fire sprinkler. And this is a CO2 detector system. In that we have used the carbon dioxide detector, and we have used the car to generate the CO2, and the exhaust fan we have used to control the level of that CO2. These are the lamps we have used. In that there is a RFID reader, RFID valid card, the motion detector used to detect the motion which will be happen in that greenhouse. And at the door we are using this motion detector, and this is the door. And this is a solar power system. In that we have used the solar panel. This solar panel will take the energy from the sun, and it will convert that energy. Then power meter will detect that energy, and it will store it in the battery. And we have connected this appliance here. And then here we have connected the laptop to the home gateway. If we go in the laptop, in the desktop, in the IP configuration, we can see this IP configuration. And if we go in the IoT monitor, it will take some time to see all the devices here, but it will show. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, here it is showing us all the devices. Slowly, we can see all the devices. Um, this laptop here, we have connected the laptop to the home gateway through the local server. Like we can see all the devices in laptop, and we can operate all these devices um, also. But a laptop should be in that server range. Like for example, if I'm in Pune and my greenhouse is in Mumbai, then I cannot operate the device which is in my greenhouses. So that to avoid this problem, if we go in the cluster, I have connected the smartphone to the home gateway through all these connections. So using this smartphone, we can operate our greenhouse devices from anywhere. Here I will explain you. Uh, like if we go in the smartphone, here in this IoT monitor, if we go, um, here we can see all the devices, and we can operate these end devices from anywhere. Um, yes. Here I will explain you all these connections. So in this is the main, this is a router, the internet service provided. This is the first part of this connection. This is the this is the second part, and this is the third part with the end devices which we have connected to the home gateway. The IP address, like for the three parts, we have given the three IP address. Like for here the 1.0, and here 1.1, and here we have given the 2.1, and for the DNS we have given 2.2, and for the IoT server we have given 2.3, and for this third part we have given the IP addresses 3.1. If we go in the DNS server in the IP configuration, then the subnet mask is same for all the devices. The IP address for this DNS is 2.2. The DNS server address is also the 2.2, and the default gateway is 2.1. If we go in the services, in the DNS, if we go, then here for this IP address we have given the web address is www.vit.com, and its IP address is 192.168.2.3. If we go in the IoT server, in the IP configuration, then the IP address is 2.3, DNS server address is 2.2, and subnet mask is same for all the devices, and this is the default gateway. If we go in the services in the IoT, then here we have said the username and the password is admin. Yes. So I will show you the importance of this web address, and in the IoT we have the username and the password is the admin. If we go in the smartphone, in the web browser, here here we can type that www.vit.com, and that IP address was 192.168.2.3. This so this web address is assigned to this. So it is assigned to that IP address, so it will take all the information which is connected to that IP address. If we click on this go, then here we can see it will ask us the username and password. The username and password is admin, where we can see all the devices. Yes, and same thing I have done. We have done for the IoT monitor. When we firstly go in the IoT monitor, same it will ask us about the IP address. In that we can type the web address also or the IP address. Then it will ask us about the username and password, and username and password is admin. And if we do that, then we can see all the devices. If we go in the central office, in the config, in the services, no, in the configuration, in the backbone, if we go, then here we can see this IP address. And this IP address we have set by using the ISP, the router ISP CLI, the command line interface. By using this command line interface, we have set the IP address in this central office server. In the cloud, if we go, then in cable, here we have connected the coaxial 7 cable to the Ethernet 6. We have made the connection in between these two cables. Okay, so these are the connections in this cluster. If we go back, then by using the smartphone, I will show you the working of this model. Mm, uh, in if we go in the conditions, then here we have set all the conditions for all the systems and devices. Uh, you can see this. I will go back to the home and I will show you how to operate this, how this model is working. Um, this in the lawn sprinkler system, this is the water level monitor and these are the sprinkler. So if our water level monitor detects the water level which is greater than 20.3 centimeter, then our all sprinkler systems will be off. Here we can see. Yes, and if the level is less than 12.7 centimeter, then the sprinkler will be on. So now the level is 13.74, which is not less than 12.7. So that time our sprinkler was off. And in this temperature monitor system, mm, we have set the auto temperature as 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius, and if the temperature is greater than 10 degrees Celsius, then cooler will get on, and if the temperature is less than 10 degrees Celsius, then heater will get on. And for in this humidity monitor system, we have set the condition like if the humidifier detects the level which is less than or equal to 60%, then only the humidifier will get on, and it will be off when the level is greater than or equal to 80%. So now our level is not less than and equal to 60%. So because of that, our humidifiers are off. We can see here. And in the smoke detector system, we have used this car to generate the CO2. Then this smoke detector will detect that CO2. And if it detects the CO2 greater than 0.5, then our all sprinkler will get on and siren will also get on. Now here I will on this car. I will take more cars here. I will on all this car. Now if I go in the smartphone, here We have set the condition like if the smoke detector level is greater than 0.5, then our siren will get on and sprinkler will get on. We can see like before our sprinkler and the siren was off, but now our level is greater than 0.5, so siren and all the sprinkler are on. Now let's come to this CO2 detector system. In this CO2 detector system, the condition is like if the CO2 level is greater than or equal to 2, then our CO2 is very high. So the exhaust fan will be at very high speed to control that CO2 level. And if the CO2 level is in between 0.12 and 1, then the exhaust fan will at the low speed. And if the CO2 level is less than or equal to 0.01, then the exhaust fan will be off. So now here we will see like here the carbon dioxide level is 0.12, which is in between 0.12 to 1. So our exhaust fan had in the low speed. Now we can see I have off these two cards, then my siren will get off, then sprinkler will also get off. In this door system, if the RFID reader is now, we can see like now our door is locked and webcam will be on all the time. It will detect it will capture the people who will be at the door, so it will be all time on. Now our door is locked, we can see here the red sign, and if RFID reader will read this RFID card, then our door will unlock and this lamp will get on. Like if any person is entered in the greenhouse, if its RFID reader will read the valid card, then the door will get unlocked, and the lamp which is need to be on in the greenhouse, then that lamp will get on. And we haven't set this condition for this lamp because we are controlling this lamp manually. Like if the person entered, then the one lamp will get on for him, and if our RFID invalid card it will read, then our door will be unlocked and our lamp will get off. And here now we can see like this siren is off now. And if our motion detector is get on, so now our motion detector is get on. uh, for to get on, we just have to click alt plus click, then our motion detector will get on, and now we can see our siren is on, because it is detecting that the invalid person, like the if any person like thief or the any other person which we do not want to come in our greenhouse, if that persons are detected by using this RFID invalid card and the motion detector, then a siren will get on. It will indicate us the wrong person is there. This is the solar power system. In the solar panel, we have set the condition like if the value of all these three, like the solar panel value is greater than 30 watt, power meter value is greater than 30 watt, and if our battery power is greater than 30%, then only our appliance is on. We can see it is on. If we go in the smartphone, mm, if we see here, our battery has the 99.67% battery, which is greater than the 30%, so our device is on. As I told, like we can connect all these lamps manually. So lamp 2, if I want to make it on, then I can make it on. If I want its light is dim, then light becomes dim. Off, yes. So in this way, we can operate all these devices. We can operate manually this device also, but automatically also we can operate that lamp. So this is our system. I will give you the GitHub link in which we are providing this packet file, Cisco packet tracer packet file, and the report which we have made. So in the description box, you can get that. Now, thank you.